Hello, on the screen is a summary of what I will go over in this video. Make sure to watch to the end so you don't miss anything. If you're switching to a new phone and use the FLO app to track your cycle, you'll want to make sure all your data transfers over smoothly. I'm going to walk you through the exact process to export and restore your FLO app data on your new device. Step 1. Start by opening the FLO app on your current phone and tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner. This takes you to your account settings where all the export options live. Step 2. Look for the settings or menu option and scroll down until you find the backup and export section. This is where you'll access the tools to save your data. Step 3. Select the export data option and choose whether you want to export to your email, cloud storage, or a direct file backup. I recommend email because it's the easiest way to access it on your new phone. Step 4. Confirm your choice and wait for the app to generate your backup file. This usually takes just a few seconds to a minute depending on how much data you have stored. Step 5. Once the file is ready, download it to your new phone, then install the FLO app fresh and open it. Go to Settings, find the Import or Restore option, and select your backup file to bring all your cycle data, notes, and preferences to your new device.